Chapter 1. Where does food come from? Which of these is seed? Moong sprout. In desert region, which of these animal is used to obtain milk? Camel. Which among these fruit is used to vegetable? Brinjal. Which of these food item will a large carnivores not eat? Grain. Which of these of a carnivorous? Fox. Name a species which is seed, black pepper and cardamom. And which part of the lotus part eatable? Rhizome, food root. Name a carnivorous animal. Eagle. What is scavenger animal? Feed dead plants and dead animals. Chapter 2. Component of our food. Several causes of scurvy can cause sudden death. To treat anemia. It is also important to prevent worm infection. Iron is needed to body make red blood cell. Fish liver oil provide vitamin A and D. Groundnuts, sunflower or seed are source of eatable oils. Vitamin A is made by the skin when the body is exposed to the sunlight. False. Orange or lemon are rich in vitamin C. True. People involved in physical labor require more carbon diet. True. Anemia is the cause of vitamin C diet. False. Green leafy vegetable enrich vitamin animal. True. Which animal help to body to grow? Protein. Nutrient help to grow body? Protein. What is the cause of protein? Energy, malnutrition, carbohydrate, fat, proteins. And what cause of anemia? Deficiency of iron. Chapter 3. Fiber to fabric. Silk is obtained from the caterpillar, silk moth. Cotton fiber grow around the cotton seed. An example of the salt water resistant neutral fiber, white core. Fishing nets can be made from white core. And cotton fiber are twisted into the yarn fabric spinning. The correct sequence of fiber to fiber yarn fabric. I am used to make denims, cotton. I grow in a warm coastal region. I used to make mat and rope, jute. I am the coarse and strong, obtained from the outer covering of the far black brown core fabric, and the probably first made I am obtained from the stem plant flax. I grow the plant around the sea. I am the strong cotton. Natural fiber to obtain from plant, cotton and flax. Which type of soil growing cotton? Black soil. Which part of the cotton plant? Jute fiber obtained. Stem. What is the soil saver made of jute? Name the fiber currency used to print cotton. Chapter 4. Sorting material into groups. What is matter? Matter made up of molecules. Which of these molecules is hard, lighter and water? Does not dissolve in water. Wood. Which of these material is heavier than water and transparent and break easily? Glass. Which of these liquid is immiscible in water? Coconut oil. Which of these option best describe metals? Good conductor of heat. Which of these materials is transparent? Clear glass. Name the soft material. Rubber. Is a good glass cluster material? Yes. Why does leaf float on water? Low density than water. Why wood is an opaque material? Light cannot pass through any method. What is the immiscible liquid? They are not dissolved in water. Chapter 5. Separation of substance. Kerosene and water can be separated by mixture of decantation. Tiny stone are removed by hand picking. An insoluble solid substance is separated by the sedimentation. Extremely small suspended particle by separate liquid by loading. Bird separate grain from the soil is picking. Salt dissolved in the water by separate domain evaporation. Sunflower seed from the dry flower threshing, winnowing. Fine wood ash suspended in water filtration. Seed weeds from cluster beans weeding, and mustard seed from their pods threshing. Water from the rice, then the washed decantation. Copper sulfate powder dissolved in water evaporation. Chapter 6. Change around us. Melting of copper metal when heated very high resistance. Chemical. When a piece of paper burn, it undergoes irreversible change. Digestion of food, a desirable change. When a candle burn, heat and light energy produced released. Germination of seed, irreversible change. When a firecracker bursts, chemical change. Melting of ice, reversible change. A chemical change from new substance. A change where take long time to complete in a slow change. A change that has harmful and wasteful effect in undesirable change. A change that cannot be reversed by the irreversible change. Name any two common change that use every day. Milk to curd and ice to water. Is changing of milk and curd chemical change? Yes. Are all physical change reversible? No. Ripening of food, desirable and desirable change. Name any one reversible change can be used for folding paper. Water cycle. Chapter 7. Getting to know plants. Carrot plants have tap roots. Food conducting tube are called phloem to make their own food. Sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll. And a typical or complete flower has sepal, petals, stamen, carpel. The leaves of cacti are modified to span, conserve water. The xylem, tube transport water in the plant. Pollen grain are formed in pollen sacs. Food prepared by the leaves in the form of sugar. Excess food of store